Hi, my name is Victoria. I'm going to be showing you how to create and use blog categories and why it's important to use categories for people to be able to sort through the posts on your blog. Blog categories allow for a broad range of post topics to be grouped together in order for your readers to easily find posts that they are interested in. Assigning categories provides a structure that also allows visitors to your site to read older but still relevant content easily and quickly. So to create a category, you'll need to go to Settings and Blog and click on the Categories tab. Now you can see here we have a category that exists already called Weddings and a default category which is uncategorized. To create a new category, enter a category name. Here I've chosen Engagement. The URL-friendly version of the name is usually all lowercase and contains only letters, numbers, and hyphens. You could create a parent category, so the engagement category would appear under another category like a subcategory. For example, if you had a portraits category, you could have subcategories underneath that called babies and families. Finally, enter a description for this category. Once you're done, click Add New Category. Your new category will appear under existing categories here. To assign this category to a blog post, you'll need to go to the blog posts page, and in this example I'm going to open a blog post that is already created. On the right hand side under categories, you can see this post is currently uncategorized. You can select more than one category if you like by ticking and unticking the boxes. This particular post is most appropriate for the engagement category. Now we can preview this over on our website, and down under categories is engagement. So if I click on that, this post now shows up under the category engagement. All other blog posts that are sorted into the engagement category will show up here when the reader clicks on the engagement category link. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.